Okay, next is remove all this bug guts. Luckily we don't have to remove the possum that we ran over from the trailer. That was, what was that? We're coming down the turnpike, we saw a possum. I couldn't slow down, and it was like, it was literally right in the road as we topped this little hill. All I saw was its body and its eyes looking right at me, and you know when you get ready to hit something, there's nothing you can do, you kind of lift your feet off the floor. I did that. And all we heard was a thunk thunk, and that was it. About 10 miles later, we stopped at the side of the road. I think it was in McDonald's, just to get rest, but also to look as if we had any possum underneath anything, but we didn't have anything. But didn't see any guts, any of that stuff, so nothing was splattered on the trailer. So that's one less thing we have to clean up. But back to this. I'm getting ready to take off all this bug guts. One of the best things I have found so far to get this off and keep it treated is this guy stuff right here. So anyway, that's what my plans are. All you do is just kind of spray it up there, and literally just let it sit there just for a little bit, and you just take a towel or a rag and it literally just comes right off. I mean, it just cleans right up. Hardly any residue, so it cleans it really nice. So let me get off here and let me get the rest of it all cleaned up here. Gonna do another. This is a before. It's come on the ladder, so it's hard to see everything. Anyway, just got done spraying it. I'll do another after. That's what it looks like when I got done. It literally took me 5 minutes, tops, to do that. Look at that, all done. Took maybe 10 minutes. You treated this stuff here. Tell you, if you keep treating it like this all the time, you won't spend hardly at all getting these bugs off the front of this trailer whatsoever. I mean, it comes off really, really fast. So, not really endorsing this, but I'm just telling you, this stuff works really, really good. So